Is your PC complaining that the Msvcp80.dll is missing from your system? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows Systems Specialist. Let's fix that library mismatch today. As we prepare to fix Msvcp80 manually, consider the professional maintenance path for a more stable workstation. This DLL file is a core component of the Microsoft Visual C++ 2005 runtime. It provides standard C++ library functions needed by legacy applications to manage data structures and system-level input-output on Windows. With that background out of the way, here is how we actually restore the missing component. The verified solution for this error is a clean reinstall of Microsoft Visual C++. Visit Microsoft to download the x86 and x64 versions of the Visual C++ redistributables and run the installers to replace the file. If the installer was unable to bridge the gap, we will move to phase 2 of our diagnostic to refresh the system's memory. A full system restart ensures that no background processes are currently locking the Msvcp80 file. A fresh boot allows Windows to reinitialize its library map from a clean state. Take a second to bookmark this page, or hit the like button before restarting. That way, you can easily resume this guide once your system has finished rebooting. It's worth taking a moment to discuss the safe acquisition of runtime components. Warning: the Msvcp80.dll missing error is often a symptom of a larger issue that a simple manual download will never be able to fully resolve. For a reliable way to monitor these specific library interactions, I've included a professional resource link in the description. To improve configuration awareness, the official maintenance resource linked below includes the Msvcp80-related documentation. Thank you for trusting us with your system repair today. For more configuration tips and the Msvcp80 error resolutions, don't forget to like and subscribe.